Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's been a minute and I'm back. I have this new goodie right here. I know y'all heard of it. It's the 39L Hit the Lights palette. And I can't wait to play and have some fun with it. So today, that's what I'm gonna do. Look at this. Look at this. I am totally drawn to this side right here, this little area. Let's see what I come up with. But yeah, so today's look, so excuse how rough I am in this before right now, like, honey. Okay, oh, funny thing. You see this eyebrow? You see that? See, this one's more fuller. Looks like it got the shape like it's supposed to look that thin. This one got wax. Just dropped. Just right here. Wax fell. The lady that was doing my eyebrows was like trying to fix it, like if I didn't know that she dropped wax on me. But whatever, I just let her wax it off like I'm just gonna go wreck. It's been 2 weeks. I went back again for another wax, you know, to clean up. And it looks like a little sperm. So thank the Lord for my ABH pomade, because look, is that what it's even called, a pomade? I think it's called a pomade. I don't know, Anastasia. You know what I'm talking about, the eyebrow thing. Yeah, it be working miracles for me because these little ass eyebrows. Ugh. Anyways, let's get into the video. Medium brown dip brow pomade. For the eyebrows, for the eyelid, I'm using the Pro Concealer. And I just apply this all over my eyelid, especially for when I want to do like a bright look. This just sets the tone. The first shade I'm going to use is 2 AM. This is gonna go all over my eyelid and just give it that pop that it needs. Next, I'm going to use this shade, Don't Stop, and it's this pretty electric blue right here. And this is gonna go in the crease right above 2 AM. And I do wanna wing this out. I wanna make my eye appear bigger than what it is, because you know I have these tiny little eyes. So what I like to do is just literally drag the shade a little further from down my eyebrow in that outer corner to give it a really good shape. All right, to blend the shade upwards, I'm gonna pick up Outlaid, and it's this little green one right here. This is literally gonna go above, Don't Stop, and blend till I get the color that I want. I did notice that when I'm blending the shade, I lost the pigment from Don't Stop. So you'll see me go back into that shade here and reapply. I didn't really mind that this is happening just for the price of the palette. It's like I'm getting every shade for like $1. So I mean, I can't complain too much. Because of the fallout, I just grabbed my makeup cleansing wipe and literally clean up, giving me that fierce line that I love on my eye looks. I just feel like it really makes my eyes stand out. Next, I'm picking up the shade Ghosted, and I did blend this one in with Insomniac, the little green metallic shade right underneath, to put in my inner corner and the brow bone to make it kind of pop out. Yeah, so I don't know why I didn't show it, but I did do that. I'm using lashes from Allure, and these are called Marquise. I love them. I picked these up at Ulta also. All right, next I'm going to apply my foundation. To do that, I use these disposable sponges. I used to use the Real Technique sponge, you know, your beauty blenders, all that stuff. And I just didn't feel like I could clean them as often as I would like to, you know, and I felt like I would be breaking out. And I'm like, I don't know why I'm so clean, this and that. But I'm like, you know what? It's those blenders. Like, I just can't seem to get them as clean as, you know, when you buy it. So I just feel like that's kind of gross. So now I use these disposable wedges. OMG, guys, I feel like this has been a lifesaver for me. So yeah, literally I'll buy a pack of like 100 and every day it's a new one. I never reuse them. So I just feel like that's been helping me with my breakouts and things like that. So I definitely recommend you guys trying this out. I know everybody's like, oh my God, I don't know how to apply with that. It's literally just like the beauty blender. So yeah. And this is the same one for my concealer. So it's like literally once a day. And the concealer I'm using is my favorite Shape Tape from Tarte. Yes, there I am just blending away. And I also use it to apply my under eye powder. So yeah, so I use it for 3 things and then toss it. Going back into Outlay, it's that green shade with a flat brush. I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line. I just feel like it'll bring my whole eye look together. It won't look so empty. So yeah. Before applying my highlight, I like to spray my face with a mist. This one's by NYX. And I literally just spray this all over, and then I'm choosing these 2 shades. The Halo Effect is the white one, and Beam is the like creamy one on the bottom. And I'm using that for highlight. Taking full advantage of this palette, there's this shade called Strobin. OMG, I use this like a blush and it's so shiny, so I really blended in with the highlight. I absolutely loved it. I'm like literally feeling myself right here. Look at that smile. So I put my hair down and I'm really looking at the eyeshadow, and I'm really happy with the way this palette performed for me, but I still feel like I'm missing something. So of course I go ahead and grab a loose glitter. I am not sure where this one is from. I did apply it using a damp blending brush because I didn't want it to look like a cut crease glitter. I still wanted you guys to see the eyeshadow underneath and make it look like an ombre effect. So that's why I used it this way. And I did take off the lashes to apply because I didn't want loose glitter all over my lashes. So after I pop those back on, this is gonna be the final look. I'm pretty happy about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.